Welcome to today's lesson. Our topic is School Life is Beautiful. School is not only a place for books, teachers, and exams, it is also a place where we grow, laugh, and create unforgettable memories. From the joy of learning new things to the fun of playing with friends, every moment in school teaches us something valuable. True friends, kind teachers, celebrations, and even challenges make school life colorful and meaningful. Together, let's listen, learn, and remember why school days are often called the best days of our lives. School life is more than books and exams, it's laughter, friendship, and memories that last forever. With teachers to guide us and friends to support us, every moment becomes special. Let's explore together why school life is truly beautiful and the best time of our lives. School life is beautiful. School is one of the most important parts of our lives. It is a place where we learn, grow, and prepare for the future. But school is not only about books, exams, and classrooms. It is also about fun, laughter, friends, and memories that stay with us forever. When we think about our childhood, the first thing that comes to mind is usually school. Truly, school life is beautiful. The joy of learning. One of the main reasons school life is beautiful is because it is a place where we learn new things every day. From learning to read and write in the early years to solving math problems, understanding science, and exploring history, school fills our minds with knowledge. Every subject opens a new door to the world. Even though studying sometimes feels hard, later we realize how valuable these lessons are. Learning step by step, guided by our teachers, makes school a special journey. The role of teachers. Teachers play a big role in making school life beautiful. They are more than just instructors. They are guides, mentors, and supporters. A good teacher not only explains lessons, but also motivates students to believe in themselves. Teachers encourage us to do our best and help us when we struggle. Their kindness, patience, and advice stay in our hearts for many years. When we look back at school life, we always remember the teachers who made a difference. True friendship at school. Friends are the heart of school life. With friends, every day becomes brighter. We play together, laugh together, and sometimes even cry together. True friends give us support during exams, stand by us when we face problems, and share our happiness when we succeed. School would be incomplete without friends. They turn ordinary days into wonderful memories. The bond of friendship made in school often lasts a lifetime, which is why people say school friends are the best friends. Fun in the playground. School is not only about classrooms and books. The playground is also an important part of school life. During breaks, students run, play, and enjoy their time. Games like football, basketball, badminton, or even simple running races bring energy and joy. These activities not only make us strong, but also teach teamwork, sportsmanship, and discipline. The sound of laughter on the playground makes the school environment lively and beautiful. Celebrations and events. Another reason why school life is so beautiful is because of the celebrations and events. From annual functions to cultural programs, sports day to science fairs, each event is full of excitement. Students prepare dances, songs, plays, and speeches. They show their talents on stage and feel proud when everyone claps. These moments boost confidence and create unforgettable memories. Festivals like Christmas, Lunar New Year, Diwali, or school anniversaries bring joy and unity among all students and teachers. School trips and picnics. One of the most exciting parts of school life is going on trips and picnics. Traveling with friends and teachers gives us a break from daily studies. Whether it is visiting a museum, a park, or a historical place, every trip is full of fun and learning. Singing songs on the bus, sharing snacks, and exploring new places together make these trips unforgettable. These adventures remind us that school life is not only about education, but also about experiencing the world. Discipline and values. School is the first place where we learn discipline and values. We wake up early, wear uniforms, and follow rules. These habits may seem strict at the time, but they shape us into responsible people. Respecting teachers, helping classmates, standing in line, and keeping the classroom clean all teach us good manners. These lessons stay with us forever and guide us in real life. School life is beautiful because it teaches us how to live with respect, kindness, and responsibility. Facing challenges and growing. School life is not always easy. There are exams, homework, competitions, and sometimes even failures. But these challenges help us grow stronger. Failing a test teaches us to work harder. Losing a game shows us how to accept defeat with grace. Facing problems with courage makes us better prepared for the future. With the support of teachers and friends, we learn that challenges are part of life. Overcoming them makes school life meaningful and beautiful. The innocence of childhood. Another reason why school life is beautiful is because it is the most innocent period of our lives. As children, we live without big worries or responsibilities. Our main job is to study, play, and enjoy. The simple happiness of buying snacks from the school canteen, exchanging stickers, or laughing at silly jokes with friends is priceless. These small moments make school days unforgettable. Creative activities. School is also a place where creativity is encouraged. Drawing, painting, writing poems, singing songs, or acting in plays are all part of school life. These activities allow students to express themselves. They make us confident and bring out hidden talents. Creative moments like drawing competitions, debate clubs, or music performances add color to school life. Memories that last forever. The beauty of school life lies in the memories we carry with us forever. We remember the first day when we entered class shy and nervous. We remember the last day when we said goodbye with tears in our eyes. Every moment in between, whether it is sitting in the classroom, borrowing a pen from a friend, or preparing for a competition, becomes a sweet memory. These memories never fade, even after many years. Why school life is the best time? As we grow older, we realize that school life was one of the best times of our lives. Adult life comes with responsibilities, jobs, and worries. But school life was full of laughter, friendship, learning, and innocence. The freedom to play, the joy of learning new things, and the support of teachers and friends make it a golden period. That is why people often say, school days are the best days. Conclusion. School life is truly beautiful. It is not only a place of education, but also a place of joy, growth, and unforgettable experiences. Teachers guide us, friends support us, and together we create memories that last a lifetime. From classrooms to playgrounds, from lessons to celebrations, every part of school life is special. It is a period of innocence, learning, and happiness that shapes who we are. When we look back at our school days, we smile because those were the moments that made us strong, kind, and full of dreams. School life teaches us knowledge, values, and love. And above all, it teaches us that life is beautiful when shared with friends and guided by caring teachers. Truly, school life is a treasure and one of the most beautiful chapters of our lives. Thank you so much for watching today's video, my dear friends. I truly hope this lesson reminded you how wonderful and unforgettable school life really is. From laughter with friends to guidance from teachers, every moment in school is a treasure that stays in our hearts forever. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel and join me for more simple English lessons. Together, let's keep learning, growing, and smiling every day. See you soon in the next video.